Password hashes are something that's of interest to every security researcher. Some of them are less complex to crack, while some of them take more effort. Here's how to identify a hash that is in use by an application. First off, keep in mind that hashes that contain salts are formatted like hash, salt, and not the other way around. Hashes can have multiple types, but if they have salts, they will always be appended to the hash after a colon. The entire purpose of salting passwords is to make huge values of them harder to crack for an attacker. To identify an MD5 hash, look at the length of the hash and whether it is a 32-digit hexadecimal output. If it is most likely a hash of the MD5 type. To identify SHA-1 hashes, look at the length of the hash. Such hashes will usually look just like MD5 hashes but be a little longer and won't contain salts. To identify vBulletin hashes, look at the salt. vBulletin 3 will usually have a 3-character salt that can contain spaces. vBulletin 4 and above can have a 30-character salt. To identify hashes from the forum software MyBB and IP board, look at the salt. MyBB hashes will always have an 8-character salt, while IP board will have 5 characters. Finally, to identify hashes from SMF or Simple Machine forums, look at the salt of the hash too. In many cases, it will be the username of the user. The hash can also have a salt in the form of 4 characters and a username after it. Subscribe to see more videos on password hashing, and until next time.